Grok AI. So first of all, you go to your App Store and search for the Grok AI. Type in Grok AI and it comes, you install. I've already installed it, so we'll just go on. This is how it looks. You can actually record yourself. You can import an image. You can do a whole lot at this point. But today we'll be working with the type to imagine. So you click on type to imagine. All the videos or the images over there, when you click on it, it shows the prompt that was used to make that sort of video. You can reuse it, you can tweak it a little and reuse it, or you can just make a video with all of those that are on it. They are actually free to use. Just click on the image, get the prompt that was used, click on make video, and then it works. So let's go to ChatGPT and get a prompt. You can pause and get the prompts that I used. You type in your prompt and you allow ChatGPT to give you a prompt. So we were looking for something to create a beautiful Ghanaian woman. You can pause and then type screenshot and then you can tweak that prompt a little and then you can use it. So these are the images that was presented to us, the prompt that ChatGPT made for us. It actually gives you a whole lot of options to choose from. You can make video out of all of them. So I want something else, so I went back to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to give me another prompt to create another video. So give me a prompt and then ChatGPT gives you the prompt. You can pause the video and copy the prompt and head back to Grok AI. Paste that in the type to imagine. Type to imagine means type in your prompt. So this time around, I wanted a crab that is walking at the beach and having fun. So it gives me several images to choose from. Let's search for one to use. Okay, I like this one. So let's make a video out of it. Just click on make video. When you click on redo, you get all the options to make a video fun. Where you want your image to talk, you go back to redo and then click on custom. Other phones have speak. I think that's for the paid version, but for the free version I have the custom. Then you can type in what you want the crab to say. Let's type something. Here I was just playing with the pictures in the redo. If you click on redo, we choose something else and it does it. You choose normal, it behaves like a normal. You choose fun, you choose something else. You choose custom, where you type what you want your cartoon image to say. So I said I typed in, hello friends, my name is Krabby. So wait for it to generate, and then it will say what exactly we want.
Hi, friends. I am called Kraby. What's your name? Hi, friends. I am called Kraby. What's your name?
So it just said his name. Now let's go back and ask him to say something else. Remember to download the first one you did, whatever it says. Suppose you want to create a story from the various animations you've got. When you make it talk, you download it. You will use another app to compile all the videos because each video is about 6 seconds only. So when then I said, let's go hunting. We need to eat. Okay, so after we've got that, let's see if we can have another crab that catches our attention that we can use to make something else. Oh, this one looks like a female crab. Let's choose that. Very colorful. Good. So let's name this one Crabster. Yeah. So we say, hello, my name is Crabster. Go to redo, choose custom, and type what you want. The My name is, oh, meet my friend Crabster. So assuming I want to make a story where the other crab comes meeting this one. So this one will introduce the other crab and say, meet my friend Crabster. So we can also go and search for another crab and make it do something, and then we can ask it to say something. So it goes, you download the image you want. You want more from the crab, you search, and then you choose whatever you want the crab to do. It is very easy. Okay, so let's go back and see what we can do with this beautiful lady we got from our AI. So click on make video, and this is the default video it gives. Beautiful lady taking bold steps and walking majestically. So if we want her to talk, we are going to click on redo and then type what we want. So let's type something for her to say. Beauty is in my veins. I am bold and beautiful. Let's see how she says that with all the lip sync. Very accurate. So you type
Beauty
in,
is in my veins. I
you
am
wait for it to
bold and
generate,
beautiful.
and there you go.
Beauty is in my veins.
Says
I
it
am
as
bold and
it's supposed
beautiful.
to say. You can make it dance, you can make it sit, you can make it do whatever that you so desire. Okay, so I created another image of this handsome young man sitting at a desk and taking some tea, Same way you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt, which you copy and paste in the type to imagine, and that is what we get from that. So we can change the actions, we can let him talk. So I clicked on custom and typed, come on guys, let's learn AI. Let's learn how to use AI and render it. So the gentleman says it with all the lip sync accurately. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys. Let's learn how to use AI.
This is all done with the free version of Grok AI. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe to support my channel to grow. I will be giving you tutorials and tuitions on AI tools. The little or the most I've learned, I will share with all of you. Thank you. Subscribe, tap the notification bell, and share to 5 of your friends. Let's go and grow together. Give yourself a chance to learn and be good at it.